Friends, focus on why the problem happened, not what happened or how to solve it. I'm Antha from Edu Skills International, welcoming you to episode 10 of OET Question Types 10, Problem Reason Based Questions. Let's continue learning. These type of questions presents a problem and ask us to find out the reason for that problem, and we have to choose it from a list of reasons. Let's see what are the strategies and criteria. The strategies are, we have to read the problem statement carefully and understand exactly what exactly the reason is. Then read the answer options and understand it. Then listen the audio or read the text for reasons related to the concerned problem and choose the best answer. And let's see what are the strategies. The reasons should be directly linked to the problem, and it must be supported by the informations in the text or audio. And do not choose options that are examples or solutions and unrelated details. Let's see an example. You hear the following recorded conversation between a practice nurse and a clinical manager. Here, I'm not going to read any text or script from audio. Instead, I'm just telling what they are discussing. Patients are waiting longer than expected to see the doctor. This is a problem they are stating. This conversation between practice nurse and clinic manager. So they are stating this problem. So what is our job? We have to find out what is the reason for that problem. So let's see what are the options. So and that what is the criteria? The reasons should be directly linked to the problem. That is one of the criteria. And it must be supported by the information in the audio or the text. So, let's see what are the options. The clinic has a new computer system. The doctor is running behind schedule this morning. A staff member is on annual leave. There is a new nurse in the clinic. There are 4 options. In that, the best option is the doctor is running behind schedule this morning. This is the reason which is directly linked to the problem. So what is actually meant by the doctor is running behind schedule? That means the doctor is taking time to consult a patient more than expected. He has given only 15 minutes for that patient, but he is consulting the patient 30 minutes. That means the doctor is running behind schedule this morning. This is the reason that is directly linked to the problem. What is the problem? Patients are waiting longer than expected to see the doctor. Hope it's clear with you all. Practice smart and score better. See you with another episode 11. Thank you.